Hey, so things have happened. Things are changing. I'm gonna get rid of the car. I'm gonna get rid of the tools. And the craziest part, I'm gonna get rid of the garage. You might wonder why. Well, it's because me and the family, we are going to leave the country. We are attempting to move to New Zealand, and it really just does not make any sort of financial sense to bring any of this with us. The laws don't really allow you to bring a left-hand drive vehicle to their drive on the left-hand side, right-hand drive world, unless you convert the car over. Unless it's some sort of specialty car that wasn't sold in the country, but unfortunately, E38s, they exist over there in New Zealand already. So I would have to convert the car to right-hand drive, and honestly, they already have that exact same car over there, so it just doesn't make any sense. So with that said, the cars have got to go. But then there is also the issue of this channel. I started this channel while I was in school using my student account at PNCA, the Pacific Northwest College of Art. And they told us that we would have access to those, to that email account for the rest of our lives. That turned out to be false. And before I could hand ownership of this channel that was under that account over to a new account, I got locked out. And so I was only ever to be the manager, and I didn't want to start over because I don't know, I probably had like 50 subscribers, but I didn't want to start over because 0 sucks. And so I kept going, kind of putting it off, not really knowing what would happen. And then I started looking into it when I was hoping to grow this channel and monetize it, and then realized that I was kind of screwed. And that when it came time to monetize the channel, it would create problems for me. So this channel is ultimately just looking to die on the vine and be a dead end anyway. So we're going to put a bullet in it now, since everything else is changing anyway. The thing I'm really excited about, though, as a car nerd, because you might not be into the whole, oh, this guy's going to turn this into a travel vlog. I get it. I am not a big fan of those whole lifestyle travel vlog genre of videos either, but I do like car nerd stuff where people are having car nerd adventures. And my car nerd adventure is going to be discovering an entire new automotive market, because New Zealand gets cars from all over the world. So all those European cars that don't come over to the US, Fiats, Skodas, Seats, Alphas, Lancias, all those. They have those in New Zealand. We don't really have those in the United States. And then there are just other random cars like the Mercedes X-Class. And then there are all the 5 Series Tourings that we didn't get in the United States. And then there are the Volkswagens, the various different Volkswagen vans that we didn't get in the US, and the Amarok. So many different cars. And then there is the entirety of the JDM market, which is huge and extensive, and something I just don't have much experience or knowledge of. So it's going to be exciting to go over there and have a totally new automotive experience. So that is what's going to happen over on the other channel. Now, it's probably going to be a couple months before we get over there. And it's not unheard of that it takes over a year. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. I have to sell a lifetime's worth of stuff, put all that money in the bank, fix up the house, put the house for sale, put that money in the bank. We have to park ourselves in an apartment until we get our visas, and then we got to move, we got to buy a place, we got to find cars, we got to get established. There's a lot. There's going to be a lot going on there. So if that interests you, please, new channel down in the description, go that way. And if you're not, I'm sorry that this is where we part ways, but I do appreciate your time and your energy and your support. It was a lot of fun. We'll see you in the next one. Ba-da-da-da-dang-dang.